onyiso jomatindo mondo kik giyie ti kodgi e nyayo koko. E kindegi ma josiasa medo mako mach e pacho ka, Tuju mane loso Kisumu okoni tulo manche noneno Kisumu en wich kuot, kendo jotelo nyaka nyis kit telo manyalo kelo oganda kanyakla kendo manyalo yango Kisumu kaka boma man kod lwasi makare mar kwe, kaka yor ywayo johala kod jo manyalo timo dongruoge mamoko.
As a shopper, walk in the streets as a free Kenyan, and I think it's very important that we send the right message to the rest of Kenyans that Kisumu is not a town of goons. I know we have a lot of unemployed children. Many of our children are employed. They are suffering. They need jobs. They need opportunity. But the fact that somebody is jobless and in that respect hopeless does not become a goon or a sagwenya. So I think the engagement I've been having with the youth is how do we resolve our problems peacefully? And then how do we make sure that they don't take, certain leaders don't take advantage of them, pay them money so that they fight each other with bows and arrows, clubs and pangas. That is not us. That is not us. We are a gentle people.